this is an email marketing platform, a software that you can own by yourself and use it to explore to your customers, your clients, and every other thing. And one thing you must know is that this is a one-time payment and for a lifetime access. So I'm going to use this medium to explore every angles of how the software looks like, what it does, the benefit you get from it, and the other advantage it has. And this is crucial for people that business people most especially, because some people don't know how to reach out to their clients and don't know how to keep them updated with if there's a latest product in town or anything that this kind they might want to benefit from. So this software is very nice, very good to use for your business. Now let me explore from the marketplace. Is where you can post something. If you want to sell anything, just come to the marketplace and post it. Then you connect a payment gateway to it. Also, one on the next is agents. You can use it to connect you for agents that will also sell subscription for you. If you intend to use it for SaaS, which is SAS, or if for subscription method, like people will start paying you monthly. You get also people that will be paying to use this software monthly, which is also a benefit. And you can also do a coupon code for anybody that you feel like that maybe you want to give them for free to use it for a while. And this is the contact list where you put all the contacts, and this contact list you can add so many. I think it has CSV file. If you have a CSV file, you can add the contacts that you have already. If you have them generated some sheets, you can import it here. You can see some samples. So I'm going to block this part for security reasons. You can see some samples of contacts here. You can see so many of them. You can enter unlimited numbers here, and these numbers can be used to send bulk email, SMS message, and also use it for your what is it called, normal SMS. You can see phone numbers. You can also these are your phone numbers. These are email. This is where you export and import when you have the file somewhere. So let's explore to the next one. This group is when you create group of contacts. Maybe you want this contact needs to, maybe you want to set a different campaign. So you have to set different groups of how, okay, if you want to set a campaign, you just know this is group is for particular campaign. Maybe you are running an e-commerce campaign, so you set contact list for that. If you are running maybe you're doing fashion campaign to different audience, so you set a group for that. So that is for this group section. Now for this email, this email is very, this attentively, this part now, it has a server. This server, it needs to be connected so that your message, your email you are sending can have 100% deliverability. So to get this done, there are some third-party place you can get server, connect their server from. Let me just try and create new server. You see, you can get a SMTP from either Gmail or Yahoo Mail. So this SMTP will help you make the email you are sending go successfully. Without the SMTP server, your emails cannot even go. So you have to set this SMTP choosing any third party you want to use. So there's webmail. This is one. If you have a website, your hosting provider, create a webmail and look for the SMTP IP address and connect it to this place. Maildoll, there's Zoho. So we can also use other platforms. Just create a free plan with them and use the SMTP to connect to this platform. So this is not something that's hard. So you provide the name, provide the hosts. These are what you copy from the place you assign to. You get the SMTP for the port, username, and every other thing, the email address that you save. So once you save, this will enable your message, your emails to be going successfully. So you can also check the bounce rates, the deliverability, if it doesn't go, if it doesn't have a click-through rate. Once people receive your mails, you will check how many percentage they were able to click on the emails and they were able to read it fast. So these are the things to monitor it at. So now moving on to the SMS section. This you can also configure logs. You can configure it here. So easy. So SMS when you have the numbers, and you can also use some servers to connect this. With these servers, you can also buy units. Unit in essence that you can what is it called? You can the unit will make you to be sending the SMS. So once you connect the server to any of all these providers, Twilio, etc., you buy unit for them, they use it to send SMS. Normally, if you use your normal line to send SMS to somebody, they charge you. But on this server is lesser, it's more cheaper because they know you are using it for SMS purpose. So it also have WhatsApp. You can connect WhatsApp server here to also connect to your WhatsApp messages. You can also control it on this dashboard here, so you can set also WhatsApp message, which is additional, which is an additional feature that is very, very good. Now this builder, you can create email template the way you want the email to be and how you want to send the message, the body and everything. You want to put a link, you want to put title, h3, h2, heading 1, heading 2, etc. So that is for this email template. And the campaigns you've run for SMS, emails, you can schedule all of them. This is where you run the campaign, this is where you run the campaign, this is where you do the bulk SMS. So either you want to do for the SMS or you go for email, you select the one you want and be able to schedule and track how the campaign has been performing and etc. So this is also a team you can use for the dashboard, and this is a subscription in case you want to sell to people to use this your platform. You can also put a pricing, they will pay you, and you set a payment gateway. There's a payment gateway option there. There's a contact. You can also set a blog whereby you can write an article to encourage people on how to use the customer section, etc. You can see the features are so lovely. You can see these are articles that will enable them, okay, this is how to use it, go here, go here. So it is it has a very, very wide feature, which is very, very good. It also has contact us when you want to contact you if they have issues. So this is where you set the payment method, either PayPal, either Stripe, Flutterwave, even it has Paystack, which is beautiful. So etc. So all you need to do is go to the platform and they'll say to get web Chrome something web key. So you enter it here to set to connect your account to the account. So once they pay you, when a customer pay you, you can get the money to your account automatically. Now the third party also it has a CRM. The server for that. Once you want to activate CRM, it means customer relation management. How you can manage clients, how you can manage your customer base. Maybe you are into sales. You want to know how maybe you get some leads, you have some conversion. So this CRM can help you manage the business. So know people that have paid, people that have not paid, people that are still in the process. This CRM helps you to do that. And also active CMS, CMS is content management system, which is can be used to manage your blogs, content management system to manage your blog, how you post and every other thing. Now it also has the features for ChatGPT, which is AI, where you can tell it what to do. This AI will also help you to write your message, your email message. You don't have to stress yourself. Once you connect it here, you just go sign up in chatgpt.com. They'll tell you to set it up, adding up the API to display, connect it together. If you have a paid one, if you can use a free platform to connect it together. So anything you do, automatically it generates from that ChatGPT connect to this platform to write your message, create your email template and everything. It makes it easy for you. And it also has support tickets wherever if you have issues with any angles, it helps you to fix it. Just go to tickets and let them know that you have issues, blah blah blah. Maybe you have any issues and they will respond to you ASAP. They're always 100% available. So now what else I'm going to jump on. I think that's all. So one is an upgrade, you get notified that you can upgrade. You can also switch to any language that you want, and it also has a Google Translate which is embedded to the software. Now this software it's available, and for those that need seats, just I'll put the details on the screen. You can book now, and I'll put the description in the comment section. You can book now for a proper. This is a demo. If you need to get it done, just send a message on how we can implement this for your business, and also teach you how you can use it and explore to reach out, send message and information to your customers, and you can use to get more sales, keep your customers updated to so many things that you do around your business. So guys, I see you guys. I see you also. I'll see your DMs if you need this. Chat me up and send me a message for more inquiries. I see you guys. Bye bye.